Hello everyone, I am Pallavi Patil. In this video we are going to discuss about the WHO DD, that is World Health Organization Drug Dictionary. So let's start. The WHO Drug Dictionary is an international classification of medicine created by a WHO, that is World Health Organization. The WHO programs for international drug monitoring and managed by the Uppsala Monitoring Center. The Uppsala Monitoring Center, which is located in Sweden. It is used by pharmaceutical companies, clinical trials, and drug regulatory authorities for identify the drug names in spontaneous ADR reporting and also in pharmacovigilance and the clinical trials. The use of WHO DD is used to code concomitant medication and the treatment drug. General information. The WHO DD contains the data from 1968 onward. The content drug and originating monthly from IMS and the National Drug Name Reference. So next point is the old form. What is meant by the old form? No entries are deleted even though they are withdrawn from the market, since old one reports might be coded with their product, called as the old form. So the classifications of WHO DD. The first is the based on a structure, second is the based on classification, and the third is the based on the hierarchy, that is hierarchical. The first is the structure. In a structure, it includes to allow easy and flexible data retrieval and analysis. Second is the classification. It includes the chemical and the indication. And the third is the hierarchical. Hierarchical means to allow the different level and precision and to facilitate an aggregated report. Then the next point is what is meant by the WHO DD. The WHO DD, a database with information about medicinal products from all over the world. It contains the medicinal product and information related to them and a rational database system. Information is provided in a consistent and the structured way. It provided useful grouping of data. It is continuously updated. And the main point in WHO DD is WHO DD revise in once time yearly. And the source of international drug names. Substances name according to the international non-proprietary name, that is the INN. Drug classified according to the anatomical, therapeutical, chemical. The chemical means ATC classification system, and information on company and references source are include in the WHO dictionary. So substances name according to the international non-priority name, that is IN, we are already discussed about in WHO dictionary. So next point is the type of medicinal product in WHO DD. The majority of entire refer to the chemical substances and the medicinal product, but the WHO DD also include the herbal remedies, vaccine, blood product, homeopathy remedies, and dietary supplement. In dietary supplement, it include the dairy product or a milk product. The next point is the searching mode in WHO DD. The first is the search on the basis of medicinal product. Second is the search on the basis of brand name. Third is the search on basis of a salt and ester level. And the fourth is a search on the basis of ingredient level. The next point is the what is meant by the ATC and how they are classified. So ATC is a stand for the anatomical, therapeutic, chemical. It is a classification index issued by the WHO Collaborating Center, that is Norway. It helps for a drug utilization research and applicable to the both single and multiple ingredient drug. So how many codes exist in the ATC? So ATC stand for the anatomical therapeutic index. Actually there are 6,331 codes are available in ATC classifications, and they are classified into the 5 level. So first level 14 codes are included. So second level 94 code are included. Third level 267 code are included. Fourth level 889 code are included, and the fifth level 5067 code are included. That means the total code are 6331. So in ATC classifications we are going to discuss about the one example. So example is A10BaO0. So in this term, A is a stand for a elementary tract or a metabolism. It is a first level of a main group. Second is the A100. The A100 is a stand for a therapeutic part used in a diabetes. Third is the A100B. It is a stand for a blood glucose lowering drug expect from insulin. Next is the A10BA. It is a stand for a chemical group, that means the bignoids. We are consider the one example, that is a anti-diabetic drug. So this is a subgroup called as the bignoids. And the last is the A10BaO0, means main chemical group present in drug, that means the actual chemical substances, that is a metformin. So metformin is the anti-diabetic drug. So this is all about the WHODD dictionary. Thank you.